Hello children, I am Mrs. Jose. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to teach chapter 5, the Democratic Republic of Congo. So let's have a wonderful journey to the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Location and land.
Look at this map children. DR Congo is surrounded by 9 countries. Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania and Burundi in the east. Other countries are Republic of the Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south. Do you know children, River Congo is the second longest river in Africa. It is also known as River Zaire. It is also called the Highway of Central Africa. The Albert, Kivu, Edward and Tanganyika are the major lakes of this country. Did you know children, Africa is the second largest continent of the world and the third largest country in Africa is DR Congo. DR Congo was earlier known as Zaire. Its capital city is Kinshasa.
Climate.
DR Congo is located near the equator. It has a hot and wet climate. The noon temperatures are very high. Evenings and nights are cool and comfortable.
Vegetation.
This land is covered with extensive equatorial forests. Creepers and climbers grow densely here. These forests remain green throughout the year, so they are called evergreen forests. In some parts, we can find savanna grasslands too. Children, our next topic is wildlife. DR Congo is called the natural zoo of the world. It provides habitat to a large number of animals such as hippopotamus, gorillas, chimpanzees, elephants, and reptiles like snakes and pythons in abundance. Look at this picture, children. This is a special mammal called the okapi with head resembling a giraffe and body resembling a zebra. It is found in the forests of Congo. Now we will look at the life of the people. DR Congo has very thin population. The main two tribes are the Bandus and the Pygmies. Bandu tribe. The Bandu is the largest tribe. These people are tall and have curly hair. Pygmies. They live in dense forests. These people are extremely short and live in houses made from twigs, leaves and branches. Let's move to the next topic, agriculture. The main occupation of people of DR Congo is farming and mining. The main crops grown here are cassava, maize, banana and rice. Cash crops like cocoa, coffee, tobacco and cotton are also grown here. Do you know children, cassava is the staple food crop of Congo. Now we will learn about the industries in Congo. It is the largest producer of gold, diamond, cobalt, uranium, coal and manganese. The industries are not developed here, so most of the minerals are exported. A large number of dams have been built which produce hydroelectricity. Our last topic of this chapter is transport. Water transport on the river Congo is the chief means of transportation. Matadi is the chief seaport of DR Congo. Kinshasa is an important river port in DR Congo. Dear children, to conclude this chapter, I would like to say DR Congo is trying to improve day by day by adopting new lifestyles, and the money earned by export is used for the development of the country. Thank you children, study well and be happy always.